Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Let's take a look again on the Bitcoin market as usual on Mondays. So the activity last week was not very significant, and mostly the high time frames in monthly, weekly, and even daily chart is almost the same. So currently markets keeps medium-term bullish context because we do not see some warning signs that maybe that something is changing currently, but at the same time market needs some significant driving factor, something that would push it higher. And in this situation, it just stuck in a tight range and, well, moving neither to the upside nor to the downside. And one thing that we definitely could do in the current circumstances is keep an eye on intraday charts and trying to catch the first signs of the possible direction. So usually it will be accompanied by some thrusting action, some impulse action, so maybe some clear pattern will be formed. Currently, we do not see something of that sort, but it really could appear in any moment. So on a monthly chart, as you could see, we consider different type of the upward action. Here is based on price action that we have. It seems that we could consider action somewhere to the 15.5 area, whereas this all-time COP target stands in this level, and that could be done by different patterns. Here we show this potential butterfly that could be reached and lead market to the COP, but also alternatively we could get this A, B, C bottom, D patterns, direct action to the upside. This is another scenario that we have, and actually it stands on the here on the monthly chart, on the weekly chart. On the monthly and weekly chart, trend stands bullish. As you can see, we do not have any problems with the hash rate, no significant drop or something of that sort. Yes, it slowed down a bit, but it happens because market just has reached some temporal sale of this. As you know, the miners within the recent 2 months has replaced the mining hardware, more product, the ASICs that produce more, have the more productivity of this mining, and due to the halving that has happened. And now this investments, let's call it in this manner, is now coming to an end gradually. So, and hash rate is reaching the new top where it's stabilizing right now. But we do not see any drop in the hash rate, so from that standpoint, everything is good. Here on the price action, it's also, we do not have something really terrible. So yes, we have almost 3-4 weeks as inside one because they all stand inside of this range, but all of this price action stands near the previous top. Some activity is happening, and on the ground of this event, it seems that I'd not see any problems that market really could continue move higher. So that's why on the weekly chart probably everything stands the same, trend stands bullish as you can see. So no reasons to suggest that market stands in the reversal and is ready to collapse. Overall speed of the CD leg approximately the same as the AB. From that standpoint, it's also everything stands normal. On the daily chart, a few moments that we could mention here. Recall that in general our position stance is based on this range, and we said that while market stands above the 1050, above this area, it should be treated as the bullish, because this is relatively tight consolidation. While market is fluctuating inside of it, it keeps the bullish background. Also we have this steep butterfly pattern, hits the 1.7, here's minor pullback. Now market is moving slightly higher. It's potential it could continue upward action, reach the 13 AM area. The one problem that we could get, it will not become the problem in general for a bullish trend, but only for a short-term situation. If market will drops below 11 even area, 11.10, 11 even below these lows. That could suggest that could be deep retracement back down because, well, actually initially we said that this is the butterfly wing, and if market hits the 127 and drops below the lows of the wing, the second wing, that's negative sign. But currently we also do not see yet this type of action. The one thing that we could keep an eye on today, probably, if you'll take a look on intraday charts, what we have. Here, guys, as we suggested, market probably should show another leg down. Well, this downside action is not taking the shape of the ABCD pattern that we discussed initially. It was a bit steeper, it's minor pullback, and the market continued down. But in general, this downward continuation has happened. And now take a look. First of all, we have very short-term godless triple to sell that is forming. But potentially, if you take a look at the circle, I now will move out this pattern, you could see that here we could get something that looks like the hand and shoulders pattern. And keep an eye on that. Now, overall action is not very fast. But if the hand and shoulders will be formed around this level, well, that will be at least something that you could try to use for a position taking. At the current moment, well, it's not completed yet, and not the fact that it will be formed. But, as I said, on the intraday charts, we need to keep an eye on potential patterns that could be formed. And once they will be formed, we could try to use it for position taking. So at the current moment, as overall price action was really slow in the recent few sessions. That's actually all that we could discuss in Bitcoin market. So let's keep watching what the progress we will get with this pattern. Maybe some other pattern will be formed, and try to get good stops for position taking.